back with you once more, and I'm going to show you some drawings that I have done. These are floor plans of some buildings. Now I don't know where the other one is, but here it is. Here, this is a floor plan I did of some small store somewhere in the area. So this is the aisles, and then you have the cash register and the seat there, and some more stuff. Got a small shelf there. So this is the one drawing I did. And the second floor plan I'm going to show you, this one's over here. This one's a house. It's got the living room. I didn't quite finish it, but it's supposed to be a tea table and a sofa. It's a sofa here. It's the dining room. Then you got the kitchen there. So this is the second floor plan I've done. And finally, quickly, show you one of a bedroom. See here, bathroom in there, tub. Then you got the bed and you got the desk there. So, those are my drawings for today. I'll show you more in a future video.